Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today I'm going to be showcasing our DC-40T-UP-TERM-NEMA uptimer. This order is going out to Agriper Corporation, which is a dairy production plant. This model is operated by our environmentally sealed push buttons that control the uptimer functions. We have a total of 3 buttons right here on the right side of the enclosure, and therefore we have 3 different functions for our uptimer, and those functions are start and stop, reset to 0, and reset and start. And this is done via our shift digit technology that will constantly be shifting digits by hours, minutes, and seconds. So you would be seeing 59 seconds, and then 59 seconds pass. You would see 1 minute and 59 seconds, and it would gradually increment all the way up to 99 hours, 59 minutes, and 59 seconds. That is our maximum number of digits that it can be displayed. So now I'm going to be showcasing the functions of these 3 buttons here. So as you can see right here on the first button, we have our start and stop function. So pressing this button once, it causes the time to start, and it increments all the way up until it reaches 59 seconds, and then it will shift the digits to 1 minute and 59 seconds, and so on. So if I press the start and stop button again, it will stop the time. So as you can see right here, we have our second button, which is the reset to 0 function. So what that does is if I press it one time, just resets to 0. And keep in mind, if you start the time and if you press the second button to try to reset to 0, it will not operate. You have to stop it first, and then you can reset it to 0 once it's stopped. And lastly, for our third button right here, we have our reset to 0 and start button. Press it one time and it starts the time. Then I'm going to press it a second time, and it just resets it to 0, and it immediately starts up to 0 again. So I'm going to press the start and stop button to stop the time, and I'm going to reset it to 0 with the second button. So quickly going over the hardware aspect of this model, we have our NEMA 4 rated air sealed waterproof polycarbonate UL flammability rated casing. For its display size, it's 4 inches in LED digit size, and that can display a total of 99 hours, 59 minutes, and 59 seconds. The number of digits it showcases is 4 digits, and they can be viewed up to 200 feet away. For its power type, it is a 120 to 240 DAC wall adapter that is grounded directly into the enclosure with a 9-foot cord that is SJE00W rated. For accessories, we have our environmentally sealed push button switches. And lastly, for mounting, we have 4 holes that can be found on the corner of the back side of the enclosure. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-40T-UP-TERM-NEMA uptimer with 3 push button switches. Thanks for watching.